We're at the newest community in Windermere called the Palms at Windermere. It's a new construction community built by one of the prominent builders in the area. And we're in this gorgeous Arlington model home. And the Arlington floor plan is actually one of my favorite floor plans out of all the ones that we usually show you guys. And I'm going to show you why. First off, it's a two-story home with the bonus room up top, but coming standard, this Arlington floor plan is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. So up front here, you have your 2 secondary bedrooms and they share a hall bath. As you can tell with some of the features of this home and this builder is you can really choose what you want when you're picking your upgrades and designing the house. In this community, a lot of the homes that they have left for sale are going to be spec homes starting in the mid 900s and going up from there. But if you were to pick a home and build it from the ground up, you can pick things like your own type of floor, or if you want to do tile or something like that. I always recommend update the railings because rather than that half drywall, because you're not going to want to do that afterwards. And then this is my favorite feature, is this kitchen. In this Palms at Windermere community, you do have gas being supplied. So you have a gas range, a gas instant hot water heater, as well as a gas hookup for the dryer. You can tell here they did the Gourmet kitchen upgrade with the microwave oven combo. You got this nice stainless steel hood and this herringbone pattern backsplash stainless steel appliances. They went with this farmhouse ribbon style sink, 2-tone cabinets, the island being the darker tone. You have your walk-in pantry, your mud room essentially that would get you to your garage and your laundry room as well. Like I said, you have the 2 bedrooms up front, and then you also, if you have multi-generational home, you have a full bedroom and bathroom behind you, which this can also serve as your pool bath because you have direct access to your patio as well. This is honestly probably the smallest bedroom out of all the bedrooms. The other ones are a little bit more spacious, so they have this staged as an office. And the cool thing about this, I always say this, I think in every video when we do new construction tours, is always upgrade your door frames. Because if you can get those 8-foot doors, it's just gonna make the house look so much more open with the taller ceilings. It's just gonna feel more spacious, and you're not gonna rip out door frames and do that after you buy a new construction home. Some of the cool details they have is this enclosed covered patio where you can have upgrades for a summer kitchen, whether it's pre-plumbed or actually installed. This builder does have the ability to build pools while the home is under construction, so you can have a pool done and completed when you move into the house. And now we're walking into the downstairs primary suite, which is just huge. You got plenty of space in here. Gorgeous double doors opening up into the suite. Once again, continuous high ceilings. Here you can tell they actually put in 4 additional lights, which I would always recommend in your master and in your living areas. Obviously, walking into the primary bathroom suite, they have her closet and then his tiny closet, depending on your relationship, and this gorgeous, huge, spacious bathroom, including a freestanding tub and a large, easy entry walk-in shower with 2 shower heads as well. And they really designed it well, but I definitely think this is one worth looking at if you are looking for some design inspiration for your next home. But let's go upstairs and check out what the bonus is in this Arlington bonus floor plan. So on the first floor, we're really looking at, like I said, the 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths on that first floor. And the bonus really takes the home to another level by adding about 1,000 more square feet and being able to take this 4.3 into a 6.4. Welcome to your upstairs bonus space, which you can also call, the kids' living room, the man cave, the she den, their party place. It is huge. You have this giant living space up here, 3 windows looking gorgeously into your backyard. Some upgrade they did in this model is the built-in cabinets with the sink and future wine beer fridge here. And then, like I said, this upstairs extra large bonus really provides 2 extra bedrooms and a shared hallway bath. These rooms are almost, or at least this one is almost as large as the primary bedroom downstairs. So great room for space. With this upgrade, this home is sitting right around 4,000 square feet with 6 bedrooms and 4 full baths. With only 57 lots available in this community, Palms at Windermere, it's sure to go fast just because of the proximity to Windermere. Obviously, we are based in Windermere, but we are zoned for Horizons West, so the community is unfortunately not gated, but you have super close proximity to Magic Kingdom, where you could probably see the Magic Kingdom fireworks either from your front porch or your back porch, depending on which way your house is facing. And you're also zoned for some really great schools because you're in Windermere, so you'll be Bay Lake Elementary, Horizon West Middle, and Windermere Prep for the high school. These home sites are going to go pretty fast. If you're interested, don't hesitate to reach out. It's basically the last new construction community that's currently being built in the Windermere area for brand new homes with pools if you wanted to throw that in before closing as well. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to myself, Ben Laube, or anyone on the Ben Laube Homes team. We are your new construction experts around Central Florida.